This Christmas, Filipinos celebrated the holidays in different ways, from quiet family time to fun-filled outings across the metro and nearby provinces. Here's the report.
This mall in Quezon City turned into a winter wonderland with bubbles that look and feel like falling snow. Children, adults, friends, and whole families all soaked in the snowy experience. Snap here, snap there, everyone eager to capture the holiday spirit. Kids also had fun on this LED floor display, which looked like a twist on the classic game of Patintero, lit up with dazzling lights. For Wilfredo and Trinidad Morales, married for 30 years, this mall was their chosen date spot.
Sana huwag siyang magkasakit. O dagdagan pa yung aming, siyempre may edad na kami. Medyo kailangan laging malakas.
Masayahin siyang tao. Kaya love na love ko siya.
Her parent Vanessa also spent quality time with her pet dog, Toby.
Masaya po kasi second Christmas niya na to. Of course special kasi parang part din siya ng family namin.
Amid the smiles and celebration, children and youth also remember the true meaning of Christmas, the birth of Jesus.
If Jesus was here, I would thank Him for everything because He gave me another day to live and He gave my parents.
Happy birthday, Papa Jesus. Sana magkaroon ka ng dalaw.
From Christmas visits, some families headed straight to holiday shopping. Besides shopping, the Christmas season also means Metro Manila Film Festival season. While some spend the holidays at the mall, others travel far just to experience extreme rides. Take the Palista family from Benguet, who traveled all the way to Santa Rosa, Laguna. Their way of celebrating, enjoying the rides at Enchanted Kingdom.
Hindi po namin kayang pumunta ng Hong Kong lahat. Wala pang budget, kaya dito muna po kami.
According to Enchanted Kingdom management, guest attendance today reached around 8 to 10,000. This is higher than last year when bad weather affected turnout.
Pag bakasyon lahat at may okasyon lahat na magsama-sama, it's an opportunity to creating new memories that will last a lifetime.